Hey students, welcome to Bridge Academy for Grade 11 Geography Lessons Unit 1, Formation of the Continents Lesson 2, Introduction to the Geologic Timescale. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to use the geological time scale for the explanation of the geological processes, resultant features, and associated life forms. Introduction. The geologic timescale is a tool to understand Earth's 4.6 billion year history. It organizes the planet's past into clear parts, like chapters in a book. Each part shows big changes, such as new land forms or new animals. This tool helps everyone, from students to scientists, learn how Earth's landscapes and life have changed. In this section, we will explain the geologic time scale, why it matters, and how scientists created it. Geologists like James Hutton and Charles Lyell saw that rocks formed slowly over long times. They called this deep time. It shows past climate changes, like ice ages, to understand today's climate. It also helps predict earthquakes by studying Earth's patterns. The time scale has a clear structure with eons, eras, periods, and epochs. It uses rocks, fossils, and radiometric dating for evidence. Scientists like Hutton, Lyell, and Smith built it over time, and new tools made it better. The time scale helps find resources, study climate, and predict hazards. It lets anyone explore Earth's amazing past, from moving continents to ancient creatures. Rocks show old climates, fossils show past life, and radiometric dating gives exact ages of rocks. For example, the Phanerozoic Eon includes the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic eras. Each has unique animals and events, like the big extinction at the end of the Permian period, and epochs based on major events like extinctions or new life forms. William Smith used fossils to map rocks, creating the first time scale. They noticed different fossils in rock layers, showing life change. In the 1820s, William Smith used fossils to map rocks in England. This helped create the first time scale. He named periods like the Jurassic after places like the Jura Mountains. In the 1900s, radiometric dating measured radioactive decay in rocks. This gave exact ages, making the time scale better. Today, scientists keep improving it with new finds. These units range from big eons to small epochs. They are based on major events, like when dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago. Plate tectonics moves land, forming mountains like the Himalayas. Erosion creates places like the Grand Canyon, showing old rock layers. These layers help define the time scale's parts. For example, volcanic ash can mark a specific time. Fossils show how life changed, like during the Cambrian explosion 541 million years ago, when many animals appeared. This event separates the Mesozoic and Cenozoic eras. The time scale connects Earth's changes, like volcanoes, to life changes, like new animals. It uses rocks and fossils as evidence. Rocks hold clues about old climates. Fossils show what creatures lived, from tiny bacteria to big dinosaurs. The geologic time scale splits Earth's history into time units. Earth's surface changes because of processes like plate tectonics, volcanoes, erosion, and sedimentation. Scientists started building the geologic timescale in the 1700s and 1800s. The timescale is useful for everyone. It helps find oil and minerals in certain rock layers. Summary: the geologic time scale organizes Earth's 4.6 billion year history into units like eons, eras, periods, and epochs. It uses rocks, fossils, relative age, and absolute age to show when events happened. It connects processes like plate tectonics to landforms like mountains and life changes like the rise of mammals. The time scale helps find resources, study climate, and predict hazards. Its clear structure makes Earth's past understandable. This introduction prepares us to learn more about the timescale's meaning, rock ages, and geologic eras in later sections. Review questions and answers. 1. What is the geologic timescale? Answer. The geologic timescale is a tool that organizes Earth's 4.6 billion year history into time units, like eons, eras, periods. 2. What kind of evidence is used to build the geologic timescale? Answer. Scientists use rocks, fossils, and radiometric dating. 3. Name one process that shapes Earth's surface and is part of the geologic timescale. Answer. Plate tectonics shapes Earth's surface by moving land and forming mountains, like the Himalayas. 4. How did scientists start developing the geologic timescale? Answer. In the 1700s and 1800s, scientists like James Hutton and Charles Lyell studied rock layers and fossils. 5. Why is the geologic timescale useful in everyday life? Answer. It helps find resources like oil and minerals, understand past climate changes, and predict hazards like earthquakes. Thank you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.